All right, guys, this is informative right here. I told y'all earlier that I was going to show you guys the type of oil that most of these newer Freightliners get, because obviously I had the same truck, so that's the same one I had. I believe it's a 2019 Freightliner Cascadia, and where you would put my face is breaking out bad, but where you would put the oil in that is right here. So part of my goodies bag, when I do pack it, I'm gonna have to put a funnel, because if you ain't got a funnel, you're gonna have to try to really like be steady hand when you pulling this oil in. So they got delco and delvac or rotella, but it's 10W30 synthetic blend, and make sure that it's for heavy duty diesel engines. So I got the delco 1030 semi-synthetic, and when you come here, obviously, you know, you're gonna get fuel. You know, you evaluate if you need DEF and fuel. Make sure you calculate your miles per trip. And I mean, it's different when you're a company driver and lease, but even as a company driver, try to be considerate about the company, because certain states that they fuel in determines their IFTA taxes. So by me already kind of knowing the game and everything, I know that some states are better with IFTA. So I said, you know what, I'm gonna get some fuel in North Carolina, because I know Virginia probably got a little bit higher. Like the further north you go, the higher the taxes are. So I said I'm gonna just get some fuel, and I'm gonna fill all the way up while I'm here in North Carolina before I hit further north. So when you come to a fuel stop, obviously you want to clean your windows. You want to clean your windows, clean your headlights, like whatever that needs to show visibility. Make sure that your windows are clean, like all this stuff. We want total visibility when you're going down the road, and also the headlights need to be clean so you can give other people visibility. And then also too, when you take this cap off, you see how I got it laying here? Do that, because if you take the cap off, a lot of times it'll fall down in there, and then when you finish topping off, you're gonna think you lost the cap when you didn't lose the cap. It's just sitting down over there somewhere. So yes, that's the type of oil that these newer Freightliners take. I was going to say something else, but I forgot. Yeah, I think that's it. It'll come to me, but if I forget, I'll say it later on. But all right, guys, you have a lovely day, and I hope this helps anybody that have a confusion on what oil that these newer Freightliners take. That's what they take. So all right, y'all, and don't overfill it. When you start pouring oil into there, start off, since it's like a half a stick, start off with a quart, and then when you start off with a quart, check the dipstick, and just pour quart by quart and check the dipstick, because you don't want to overfill the engine. So all right, y'all, I'll check back in.